everybody. Today is Sunday, and as you could see, it's just been such a beautiful day out. I've had such a nice morning, so sunny out. I had a really nice walk with Brody, my little workout, and you saw my smoothie, which was so good. Doing the little toppings on top just makes it so good. If you're wondering what I put in my smoothie, I have done this for so long now, and I'm like scared to switch it up because I feel like I can so easily make them taste bad. So since this works for me, this is like my go-to and what I always do. I do frozen banana, frozen mango, frozen pineapple, spinach, a bunch of coconut water because there's so much frozen fruit in there. You have to do a lot so it like blends smoothly. I add some protein powder and some superfood mix if I'm feeling spicy, if I'm feeling extra, just very basic. And then I added some goji berries, some cacao nibs, some granola. Is there anything else I added on top? So good. And the goji berries I actually just got in the mail, so I wanted to show you guys everything that I just got from Thrive. My box from Thrive just came. Oh, but first of all, I should probably explain. I look kind of sweaty and scary, and I haven't showered yet because I am gonna be running around cleaning, organizing. This vlog is really gonna be like self-care, cleaning, organizing. These days are just so good for my mental health, and this is just the perfect day since it's a Sunday and I need some cleaning and some organizing. Oh, I hate the floors, drive me crazy. Like I feel like I have to vacuum every day. I'm getting very like particular about my apartment since I just like to keep it so clean. So yeah, we'll be cleaning. I wanted to vacuum like right now, but Brody's like sleeping over there, so maybe we'll have to like organize a cupboard or something because I don't want to wake him up. He has been so sleepy, you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna show you everything that I got in my Thrive box. First thing, goji berries. They're open because I was just eating them. These are so good, and these are so dang expensive, you guys, from Whole Foods. I remember a specific time I went with Lucy, we were like, okay, we want goji berries, but we're simply not spending $30 on this bag. Like, it's crazy. And so that's why I love Thrive so much. If you guys didn't know what Thrive Market is, if you haven't heard about them before, actually, if you guys have watched my videos for a while, you would know that I have been ordering from Thrive for literally years now. They are so amazing. It's just an online marketplace that just makes healthy living, eating, everything like that so easy, just so affordable too, because you are guaranteed to save money, like literally guaranteed. I know members on average, like I'm a member on there, save $32 an order, which is like mind-boggling. Whenever I check out, I always look at like how much my order total is and how much I saved, and you always save so much money because, like I was saying, at Whole Foods, I literally get all of this at Whole Foods and it's way more expensive. Yeah, basically they just have thousands of wholesome home, food, beauty products, and I feel like I get a lot of my pantry stuff on there. A good example of that, this Rao's, how do you say it? Tomato sauce at Whole Foods is like $8 or $9, way cheaper on Thrive. And this is just the marinara. I really like the tomato basil, but I thought I would try this one out. I got the Primal Kitchen ketchup. I actually listened to a podcast the other day all about Primal Kitchen and like how amazing they are for you, and it's just like very minimal ingredients, so I was excited to try that instead of like my Heinz that I always had that I'm sure is full of like sugar. This is also open because I ate one, and this is the Kind Simple Crunch peanut butter. Yeah, I just like these bars. You guys know I love these Who chocolate bars. I have her Who, I think I've always said Who chocolate bars. So much more expensive at Whole Foods for the millionth time, and so I just always get them on Thrive. And this is a cashew butter vanilla bean dark chocolate. So good, so bomb. And then last but not least, I am so excited. I've never had matcha at home, and I've been wanting to make it for so long. I finally got a little, what's this called, frother to make my matcha, so I was so excited to get this. I'll keep you guys updated on how this goes because I cannot wait to make matcha at home. I know I've said this before, but one of my favorite things about Thrive is how you can shop so many diets on there, you guys. I think there's like over 70 different diets. So if you're keto, if you're gluten-free, if you're paleo, if you're vegan, everything like that, you can just click on a little tab that says vegan, so everything that will come up will be vegan, and that's so nice for my vegan friends and family members. And I know orders over $49 are always shipped free, so if you guys haven't shopped at Thrive Market before, I would so recommend. I will have them linked down below, and you guys can choose the membership model that best fits your lifestyle, because I know they have a 1-month membership model if you are like, I'm just gonna try this out, and then there's the 12-month, which I do. It's just like the annual one, and it works out to $5 a month. Like, they're basically giving you money because you end up saving so much more than the $5 a month. And I know if you guys join today with my link down below, you'll get 25% off your first order and a free gift. So I would so recommend. Thank you so much, Thrive, for sponsoring this video. Literally my whole pantry is thanks to Thrive Market. So now it's time to organize my new food in my pantry. It's just like so full and has been like cluttering my mind. So I need to get to it and get organizing. Okay, here is the finished product, everybody. Wait, hang on. Alexa, pause. Sorry. I have been playing Morgan Wallen all day. Has anyone else just been doing Morgan Wallen on repeat because of the new album? Anyone? Let me show you the finished situation. It doesn't even look as beautiful as I thought it did, but it's fine. Way, way, way better than before. I don't know how it always gets so out of hand. I mean, it still looks kind of messy, but whatever. This is way better than it was. Works for me. We have a bunch of powders up there. All my liquid IVs are in this little like liquid IV cooler, all the individual packs. And so that's so fun. I love like pulling down the little mini cooler and like picking one out because I do those all the time. Bunch of our canned stuff just thrown in the middle. Like, I guess in reality, we maybe could use a couple more of these like acrylic bins. I could throw all the cans in there, it would look nicer, but whatever. This like looks so messy up here, but this is just a bunch of hot chocolate, tea, stuff like that. Oh yeah, the new matcha. I don't know why Jen goes up there. Don't ask, but I don't know where to put it. So I'm gonna leave it there. And snack stuff, pasta, sauces, extra of my favorite things in the whole world, Jane's Crazy mixed up salt and everything but the bagel seasoning. So good, you guys. A bin of like mainly oils. This is like nuts and seeds, oats, peanut butter, and there's like granola back there. The like bread part, but there's just hamburger buns and rice cakes. Some cereal, candy, a big thing of trail mix. We love this one, you guys. Peanut butter monster. It's basically a candy. It's so good. Animal crackers. Oh, there's even more animal crackers up here because like I love them and so does Brody. And this is just like miscellaneous dates, banana chips, stuff like that. Bunch of onions, reusable bags, pancake mix for when I'm in the mood. There's like a coconut water and extra oats back there, and then baking, rice. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, this feels like a weight off my chest. You know, when you just like let a mess accumulate, that's how I was feeling. I took a bath, did my self-care moment. Brody's chewing on his caterpillar if you hear that. And did a little face mask. I know I got like 1 second of it, but that was just like so needed. And you're probably like, Gretchen, why are you in this jersey? Well, I didn't tell you earlier, but if you guys saw my last vlog, then you would know that Max is at the Flyers training camp right now. And excuse the fact that I'm wearing this blue set that I just got underneath. Really doesn't go. But yeah, this is his jersey that I have from Lehigh. So I thought, what a perfect time to wear it. He's not number 20 tonight, he's number 71. But anyway, and I actually have a Flyers hat, but I don't have it on because I've been trying to get it on Brody, but he keeps trying to eat it. He just grabs it with his mouth. Cause you're about to send it to you right now, huh? So we'll see if I can get it on you. See, yeah, so we have to wait till he's a little more sleepy because I want you to wear it, at least for a picture. Yeah, this is so exciting. Oh, did I even say what it is? Yeah, this one's in a mood. Max, come home, I need you. No, I'm kidding. Okay, we need to run around, hang on. Okay, we ran around for a sec. Hopefully he's a little more tired out. Uh-oh, he's back. I'm scared. But I didn't even tell you. Technically today is their last day of their training camp and they're having this scrimmage and it's on TV. So that is what is about to happen and it's so exciting. And yeah, so it's not like they're playing another team. It's just like all the Flyers guys at the camp are just like scrimmaging each other, you know, if that makes sense. I shouldn't be the one to explain this because I barely know. But we are so excited, aren't we? You're gonna watch your dad. And did I even say this is 20 because that's his number in Lehigh, but right now he's wearing 71. So look for 71. Well, this is going up after, but when I show you the game, keep your eye out for 71. Are you so excited to watch hockey again? Wait a minute, you've never watched hockey. I'm so excited to watch hockey again because it's been obviously so long. Like, this is just so exciting to like watch a game, even though I'm by myself in like a sweatsuit with a freaking jersey that doesn't match. But this is so exciting because I've obviously missed watching Max play hockey because he obviously loves it so much and is so passionate about it. But like, Brody has never seen Max play hockey. This is your first time. Oh, now we're tired. Brody legitimately watches TV like a human too. So this is gonna be so good. Woo! There he is, you guys. Ah! I wasn't sure if he got that assist. Did I get that on camera? I was just filming as that happened. I think you guys saw that. That was so exciting. I love that. Like, I grabbed my camera right as that was happening. I wonder if they'll announce it right now. Woo! I need to go FaceTime Chase. Okay, I'm playing it again so we can see you guys. There he is. Woohoo! Woohoo! Go Max! Oh my goodness, this is exhilarating! Why do you have so much energy? You like slept all day. I think that's why. I feel like I have adrenaline right now. I'm just so excited for him, you know? Like, this is just so exciting. Brody is finally like asleep over there on the ground. Of course, he had so much energy like the whole game. I feel like I need to catch my breath. I'm just so happy for him, and I can't wait to call him, and I can't wait to see him whenever I get to see him. And this is just so exciting. So if you guys could see, they split into white and orange. I didn't explain this before, did I? Why am I like so forgetful today? I don't even know. But they split into white and orange, and Max was on the white team and the white team won. So that's just like exciting, I feel. And you guys saw his assist, which was so cool. And I was just like standing in front of the TV, like taking little videos of my Instagram the whole time. And I was like, everyone, PSA, I'm sorry, I will quit it, with all of the Instagram stories of him. But obviously this is just so exciting. And people are already DMing me so many questions like, is he officially with the Flyers? Is he signed with the Flyers? Is this his first NHL game? Which, to all of those things, because this is just the last day of their training camp. So they haven't like solidified their team yet for this season. Yeah, if that helps answer your question. But I'm probably just as confused as you guys because hockey is confusing. Yeah, you guys know what I know. He was obviously signed with the Lehigh Valley Phantoms and was invited to the Flyers training camp. There are guys from the Lehigh Valley Phantoms, the Flyers AHL team, and the Flyers team that are all at this Flyers training camp together. And if you have like no idea, to really simplify it, if I'm like explaining things here, this is how I learned it. You guys know Max started off in Reading, Pennsylvania with the Reading Royals last year, and so he was signed with them, and that's like the East Coast Hockey League. And then their American League team, like one level above, is the Lehigh Valley Phantoms, and then one level above that is the Philadelphia Flyers. So like, that's the Philadelphia Flyers organization. If any of you know more about hockey than I do and I'm saying anything wrong, please correct me. But since I'm getting so many questions, I thought I would just say that here. I'm getting like hundreds of DMs from you guys being like, oh my god, this is so exciting, like what does this mean, are you moving to Philly, da da da. So yeah, not getting ahead of myself here, but that's that. This is just so exciting because obviously when you start off in an organization, I would assume the goal would be to, you know, work your way up, and Max has, and I'm just so proud of him, and he's worked so hard. I could be emotional, I just want to hug him right now, but here I am cheering on now sleeping Brody over there. Yeah, I'm just so happy. next morning, you guys. As you saw, I just went ham vacuuming everywhere because it needed to be done and I was procrastinating, and now I'm so excited. I don't really know how to do this, so we'll see how this goes. I just opened up my matcha because I really want a matcha latte. I'm just gonna try to whip it together with some almond milk and ice, and I think that's what it normally is whenever I would get it at like Blue Bottle. In Boston, they had my favorite matcha, and then I would bring my own cinnamon. I'm gonna cover the top in cinnamon because it's just so good with cinnamon. So cross your fingers this turns out okay. Oh, and you guys saw that I had my liquid IV this morning. I just felt like I needed some extra hydration. This one, it was so good. I didn't know how I would feel about the pina colada flavor, but it was so good. And I guess it's in collaboration with Kygo because it says Kygo on there. So that's fun. All right, hopefully that's enough ice. I don't really know how much matcha to do. Is that too much? Okay, let's do that. I have unsweetened original. Hopefully this is good. Maybe it would be better with vanilla. Who knows? Am I doing this right? Oh, wait, dang it. I definitely can't. Okay, this is already a fail because I probably should have put in the ice after so I could like swirl it together with this thing. Okay, I think I already messed up. Is that gonna work with ice in there? Like, kind of. You guys, this is such a fail. Why did I put the ice in first? Oh my God. Well, you live and you learn. I'm learning. Okay. This is like barely working because it's just hitting the ice. All right, so this is a process. Now I know going forward, mix, then ice. I moved the liquid to another cup and left the ice in here, mixed it, then put it back in, and it's mixed a lot better now. And we are going to cover the top in cinnamon, and I mean like really cover. Like something about the cinnamon on here is so good. I had a sip without the cinnamon, so good. I really like this matcha. I feel like I'm kind of picky because I've had the Starbucks one in the past and other places. I think Latte in Boston, I also didn't like that one that much either. Like I'm picky about how it tastes, but this is a good one. Like it doesn't taste like grass to me. I don't know. Guys, try matcha with cinnamon, and this one from Thrive is so good. I really like it. I also think I did too much matcha, so I added more almond milk. You probably could just do like a teaspoon or two. I don't know. Do you guys make these? What do you normally do for your matcha? What almond milk do you use? You use sweetener? I want to know. I actually don't like it with sweetener. I just like it very simple and plain like this. But yeah, let me know if you guys make matchas and how you make them. Someone is chewing on my bala. Okay, well, I think that's okay. It's pretty hard. It's not like he's gonna do anything to it, right? There's just some nibble marks on there. I love those, by the way. Shout out Jace, my ex's sister. She got me them for Christmas and I love them. Just took a little bar. But yeah, we're already over 18 minutes into this vlog, people. And I don't want to keep you way too long, so I think I'm just going to end this off here. Can you guys comment down below your ideal length for a vlog to be? Because I'm curious. I feel like I used to have like hour-long vlogs before, and that's just like too much. And a lot of you were like, "Hey, Gretchen, I don't have like all day here." So I want to try to keep them around like 20 minutes, like 20 something minutes, 18, 19, 20. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does that sound good to you? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was like cleaning. A lot was Max's hockey game because that was just so exciting for us. Brody being bad. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye.